This is the premises of the Federal High Court where the self-acclaimed leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Nnamdi Kanu, the trial will be heard. But as we speak, just as it was the last time, security operatives at the gate are stopping people from gaining entrance into it. And as you can see, there are many lawyers out here, including journalists, despite the accreditation done yesterday to allow journalists into the premises, is still very, very not possible. And I'm standing here with a senior correspondent of Punch newspaper. Let me get your view on this Friday or local.
Well, with what we have seen today, this is the slap and the blocks and the escutcheon of democracy. Because it's surprising that despite the accreditation, we have really degenerated into the abyss of nothingness. The bone of contention now is that lawyers have not been allowed in. It is even said that no other court is going to sit apart from Justice Nyako, where Nnamdi Kanu is going to face trial. And that's one of the bone of contention. Another bone of contention is that there was a rule that not more than five from each of the parties, either from government or from Nnamdi Kanu, not more than 5 lawyers each will be allowed into the court premises. You can see that was considered the rowdiness.
Okay, thank you, Friday Oloko, senior correspondent with Punch newspaper. Okay, I also have with me a very senior reporter with Africa Independent Television, AIT, Mr. Austin. Austin, let me get your view concerning what's happening here today. We're here to cover the trial of Nnamdi Kanu, but as it happened the last time, no one is allowed to go in. We are all here, journalists, lawyers are equally out here, members of CSO are here, even some members of his kinsmen are not allowed in. What's your view on all that's been happening here in the Federal High Court?
Okay, thank you very much. It's very appalling that something like this is still happening in our country today, where little cases that are supposed to be of little interest are really made to become something else. What am I trying to say? Nnamdi Kanu, the self-prescribed IPOB leader, his matter has come time to tap London. But the minute and the time the DSS began to give it a priority per se, then it blew out of proportion. How can you shut down the Federal High Court, if the entire court, just because of one man's case? So it has to affect the other cases that are supposed to go on here. Every other lawyer have really not granted access into the courtroom. Litigants actually cannot even come in file cases. You can imagine the security outfit here, the barricades and all that. To me, this is blown out of proportion. So I think the federal government should do something about this. It is not every time that you give unnecessary attention to certain things or certain individuals when we are not. That is not supposed to. So I'm thinking that yes, the federal government should come in and do what is necessary here. Thank you very much.
Thank you. All right, you've heard from Austin. It is really still very difficult for lawyers and journalists to get access into the premises of the Federal High Court where the trial of Nnamdi Kanu is supposed to go on. And as you can see now, a lawyer who is supposed to have case here is also shut out of the premises.
Is having all these quantities of security. Meanwhile, my village is empty. They are kidnapping everybody there, killing everybody there. The worst thing is that I've collected money for today. And they will not allow me to do the work.
So are you here for Nnamdi Kanu or for a different matter?
A different matter. The worst thing is even in that court. In that the same court too.
We are here for Nnamdi Kanu. If you want to Nnamdi Kanu.
Okay.
We are here for our brother, Nnamdi Kanu. Are you hearing me? Lawyers were not allowed to go into the court. We want to know why. One single question I want to ask the government of President Muhammad Buhari: what has an Igbo man done to him? I treat an Igbo man like this. I want to know if Buhari can give me that answer. What has an Igbo man done to him? He hated Igbo man with passion. Why? Are we not the same Nigeria? Therefore, nobody should tell me one Nigeria again. I will say that we are many Nigerians. No more one Nigeria again. Are you hearing me? So please, we have taken our faith the way it is. But at the end, one day it will come to an end.
But is your name among the lawyers that
Must
are
my name be
supposed
there?
to defend Nnamdi
Must my
Kanu?
name? I'm one of the defense counsel. Look at my file. This is the file. I'm not allowed to do this. Then tomorrow, Nnamdi Kanu will get the justice. How am I sure he's going to get justice? When lawyers are not asked, we're not allowed to. Because when we stay together, two heads are better than one. So we're not allowed to go in. Why? Why? When Ezazaki matter came up, we came to defend Ezazaki. It's from the north. And we're allowed to go in. That's okay, the same thing. When it's told for an Igbo man, that's where there's security everywhere. People are being killed everywhere. Look at the number of security we have.
What about your king's men? Have they been allowed to enter the court?
You can see the former governor of Anambra State. Look at him, please, Chief. You can see the former governor of Anambra State. Is he allowed to go in? Is he the court? You can see him standing.
Hello, sir. Morning, sir. Sorry. So, how do you feel about this, sir?
I feel very good.
That's all you can see. For Nigeria, for this kind of a show of drama, so nobody should tell me they want Nigeria. We are no more one. There's no hope for Nigeria. No hope
For each other. We should
No hope for Nigeria. Nigeria is gone.
If what is done to me is not good, say so to them. Not what to me.
All right, so you've heard it from the former governor of Anambra State, Ken Ezefe. You can see the humongous crowd all waiting to gain access into the premises. And also journalists are out here also waiting patiently to see if they will be allowed in.